Welcome to MacGyvers Workshop, where you never know what we're going to be working on next. If you're not too careful, you just might learn something. Sziasztok from Tata, Hungary. And you never know, I guess you never know where MacGyvers Workshop's going to turn up next either. So I'm here from my work and got a little downtime, so I thought I'd put together some video clips of my trip and enjoy. So I'm here in Hungary, a little town called Tata, and just coming out of my hotel here. It's called the Hotel Quiche. Really nice little place. Everything here has a really old vibe to it, you know, and all these buildings are really very old, and you know, even going through the hotel, you know, it's like a labyrinth of hallways and passageways and such. So I am going to go find something to eat, and I know just the place. Driving in Hungary is pretty much like driving anywhere else. The signs are a lot different, but you pick it up pretty quick. It's a lot of you know, small narrow streets and alleyways and that sort of thing. And again, as I was mentioning, you can see the architecture around here is very old looking. It's really cool, some of these old buildings. And they have lots of roundabouts here. We just passed the sign showing that one's coming up. Now, we're not going to go through this roundabout because we are going to essentially turn right. And this is a more modern roundabout, which has a secondary lane right here that we're on, so we don't have to actually get on the roundabout to just turn right. It makes it a little easier. So anyway, so we're on to a little place called the Bacon Burger. And man, are these burgers good. And you can see stoplights, very similar. Crosswalks are big here, so you have to be really cautious and yield to pedestrians. And the only real difference here as far as the traffic lights go is before the light turns green, it'll briefly turn yellow. So I guess it's kind of like a miniature drag strip tree, you know, where you get the one yellow and then you go. So let's see if I can see it. Yeah, there it goes. And then the light turns green and you can go. Myself, I just kind of wait. I don't want to jump out in front of anybody. So here it is. Bacon Burger and Beer. Awesome place. We came here for lunch a lot of times, really. It is awesome. All right, so we are in Hungary, and I'm at this world famous restaurant called Bacon Burger. And they say they got a Philly cheesesteak. We're gonna see how this goes. I've already talked to the guy. He says, okay, maybe not as exact Philly, but you'll like it. So we'll see about that. So stay tuned.
Would like one more Coke?
Yes, please. All right, this is what he brought me. Let's see how good it is.
Very far from home, but Philly cheesesteak only.
Yeah, it looks good. And you get the fries. Yeah, buddy. Food, it's a universal language. Now that, my friends, is a burger. And that's a small one. They have them up to like 1.9 kilograms, which is ginormous hamburger. Their fries, they're kind of they're not batter dipped, but they have a seasoning on them that's really, really tasty. Bacon burger, best hamburger in Hungary. All right, so behind me is this castle here in Tata, Hungary, and we are about to go take a tour. Oh, you look at that. I'm gonna have to look all this stuff up and do a voiceover segment because everything is in Hungarian. Wow, this is amazing. It's so cool. This was one of my bucket list things, is to be able to see an old castle near Budapest. And this definitely, I can tick that box off my list. So there's actually a museum inside there. We don't have time to go through, unfortunately, but I'm sure I'll be back another time. We're here with work, so this will have to be a must stop on my next itinerary, just to come around and see. You know, this is like ancient architecture. This is amazing.